In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create flicker text animation in Canva. This fun and creative effect is perfect for making your text stand out, whether you're using it for a video intro, social media post, or any other digital project. You don't need to be a graphic designer to follow along. I'll guide you through each step, so let's get started. First, we begin by opening up the Canva website. If you haven't already, log into your account. Canva is a fantastic tool for creating everything from simple graphics to more complex animations with its user-friendly interface. Once you are logged in, it's time to create your new design. Next, within Canva, you want to create a new design that suits your project's needs. Whether it's a custom size or one of Canva's preset dimensions, choose the option that best fits your intended use. Now, with your design template ready, it's time to add your text. Go ahead and insert a text box onto your design. Inside this text box, type out the word or phrase for which you want to create the flicker effect. This could be anything from a catchy headline to your brand name. To make sure that the flicker effect stands out, it's best to use a bold and thick font. Canva offers a variety of font options, so browse through until you find the one that catches your eye. With your bold text ready, the next step is all about animation. Click to select your text, and then look for the animate button in the toolbar. This is where Canva truly shines, as it offers a wide array of animation effects at your fingertips. From the list of animations, select the flicker option. This will instantly apply a fun, flashing effect to your text. If you want to customize it further, you can adjust the speed of the flicker effect. Slowing it down or speeding it up might better match the aesthetic of your project, so feel free to experiment until you're happy with the result. And we're not finished yet. To enhance the visual appeal of your flickering text, consider adding some additional effects. By clicking on the Effects button, you can apply a glow, shadow, or even an outline to your text. These easy enhancements can add depth and dimension, making your text even more eye-catching. Finally, once you're satisfied with your flickering text animation, it's time to export your creation. Since you'll likely be using this animation in a video or on social media, exporting it as an MP4 file is a great choice, as this will retain all the animation effects and ensure compatibility with most platforms. And there you have it. You've created a dynamic flicker text animation in Canva that is sure to captivate your audience. Thank you for following along, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to hit that like button if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more creative Canva tips and tricks.